Hello everybody. Dingland down here. This might be a several video steps here. This is the making of the ice candy. These are the ingredients here. Nestle. Creamy. Creamy cream. Alaska. Condensed milk. Sugar. These are the little bags you put them in. You fill these up. Almost like little condom bags. And then the important part, scraping the coconuts. They call it BUKO, right?
Yes, BUKO.
BUKO.
Yes, BUKO. To BUKO. From over there, show it, our tree.
Yeah.
Yeah, from over there.
Coconuts, you gotta get down first, then you cut them and scrape them.
Oh shit. You think you're gonna get it from over there? I don't think so. To BUKO.
This is how many coconuts they used. Did you pay him for taking the coconuts down? How much did you give him?
Oh, just give him 100. We have more for next week for whatever we get ready. We have
100 pesos to the guy climbing the tree. That's $2. He's actually Tintin's husband. The one with the
more over there. Show it for next week.
The one that dog makes all the noise. That's their husband. That's Catherine's playmate's father. Over there, she's playing with Catherine now. Sometimes they play rough and they fight. We send her home. She's wearing the yellow and red. Her name is Faith. There's more coconuts for next time. We have plenty of coconuts, no problem. And then you put it all in a big bowl and then you start mixing everything together, right?
Yes.
Like trimming the big pieces. He can't hear you. Go down and get him. Stop yelling.
Ganda ng tayo-tayo na. Ala, ayan na. Ala. Ginano niya kasi. Oh, grabe. Lapitan mo na kasi ta.
He's down at the end of the beach. He can't hear you.
Grabe naman na.
Anyway, I suggested they put all this in a blender and mix it up, but they don't want to do that. They said the candy's supposed to have little strings of coconut all through it. I told them to make it more like a pina colada, put pineapple juice and blend it all up, but they don't want to do it that way. So, that's it for now. I'll do another video the next part of the finishing of the candy once they mix everything together. So until then, Beach Bum out.